Today gagawa tayo ng malunggay powder tea. Moringa oleifera is a plant that is often called the miracle tree or horseradish tree. It has been used for centuries due to its medicinal properties and health benefits. Moringa contains a variety of proteins, vitamins, minerals, and many healthful compounds. Some health benefits: reduces high blood pressure, protects the liver, prevents cancer, improves eye health, and treats various stomach problems. Sa recipe na ito, gagamit ako ng organic moringa powder na binili ko online dahil walang available na moringa tree dito sa lugar namin. Ingredients: 1½ tablespoon moringa powder, 4 cups of water, honey or other sweetener. Simulan na natin. Pakuluin natin ang 4 cups of water. I-transfer ito sa heat-proof na glass pitcher. Ilagay ang moringa powder. Haluin ng mabuti para ma-dissolve yung powder. Takpan at hayaan ng mga 5 minuto. Salain habang isinasalin sa isang baso. Lagyan ng kaunting honey o anumang pampatamis. Serve and enjoy! Kung nagustuhan nyo ang recipe na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you and kita-kits sa susunod na recipe.